Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, this is another vlog. Long time, I think I never do a vlog already or any videos because I have been busy flying around all around the world. And right now, I'm here in Bali, Indonesia. And why am I here is because there is a main event that I need to attend as a Web3 educator, which is Coin Fest, that will be held in Jimbaran, Bali. It's one of the places. And it's gonna be like 2 days. So right now I'm in one of the side events. There's a lot of side events I haven't go to, and this is for the first one because I touched down late in Indonesia today. There's so many people, but yeah, great events. I just finished this event just here up, and I just want to thanks to my sponsor today, which is Socrates. As you can see here, I'm wearing their t-shirts, and just want to tell a little bit more about Socrates. Socrates is so unique in a way. Why am I doing a good video or introductory video about this? Because I think it's kind of interesting. You know why? Because it's kind of like affecting or will actually helps in your daily life in the future. For example, if you are a student or you are a college student or you are a master or you are PhD, whatever, when you want to do survey, you want to do a thesis writing, you need to do survey, right? You need to ask the users, the community, what do you think about this? Do you like iOS or Android? Do you like iPhone or Samsung? Do you like Bitcoin going down or going up? Do you think that Bitcoin will rise up next week, or you think it's going to go down? So you want all these surveys to support your thesis, or you want all this, maybe all these surveys to help you to decide something. Whether you want to open a shop there, do you think that the community will think that this shop opening in that area will kind of make sense to them or not? So you want all this survey, and this platform, this Socrates platform will actually help you. The reason why is because there is so many community that will actually help you to answer. So what you're going to do is, if you want to ask people, you can go into the Socrates platform, register an account. I'll put down my link at the description below. You can click on that, my referral link, to register an account. So once you register an account, right, what you can do is you can ask any questions, and you can put the answer A, B, C, D, right, and then the community will start to answer. And you will always ask, like, why the community will answer, right? So because whenever they answer, they get a chance to win some tokens, which is the Socrates tokens. Okay, so it's kind of interesting, right? But I won't tell you in depth how you're going to win this. But if you want to know more, I'll put down the website link. You can go and check it out by yourself. And it's kind of interesting because this is how you attract people to engage in your survey. So, for example, if you are like me, last time I always do thesis writing as a college student. So what I'm going to do is I have to go down the street. I have to ask. I have to print out a paper and then send it to them and ask them, what do you think about this. Instead, this is going to be a very hassle and it's going to be a very troublesome thing, right? Because you have to go all under the sun and stuff like that. So with this platform, it kind of like ease your life, and the community will actually helps you to answer in behalf, and the community have the benefits where they can win the tokens and they can trade the tokens as well, right? So it's like a win-win situation where you get the answers from the community, and the community get rewarded in the same way. So go and check it out by yourself, and I don't want to talk much about this. If you want to know more in depth, maybe one day I will do a video about this. But yeah, I'm very happy to be here in Indonesia, Bali right now. Of course, there's gonna be a lot of projects that are going on these few days, and I will try to make more videos about this to get you guys excited and know more what's happening around the world right now in cryptocurrency industry. Okay? So I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.